This video tutorial will show you how to access your Chico State courses in Blackboard Learn. To access the Blackboard website, you will need to open your preferred web browser and enter Chico State's web address in the URL bar, www.csuchico.edu. From the home page, you will need to click on the word Portal, and then click Sign In. You will need to enter your credentials, including your username and password, and click Login. From the Chico State portal, you'll have options on your site that will vary based on your enrollment. You'll want to look for the Blackboard icon and click it. On your Blackboard home webpage, based on your enrollment, you'll either see Faculty Home or Student Home, and Organizations. Under Faculty Home or Student Home, you'll be able to see a list of your Blackboard Learn courses, listed by semester and course number. Click on your course number to open the appropriate course. Also on your Blackboard home page, you'll also be able to see what's new based on assignments, announcements, and other content. If you have additional questions about how to access Blackboard Learn, you should contact your course instructor or contact ITSS, or use the other campus resources that are available, such as Miriam Library.